ye wo suban ba kon asem bi ba ne ye kan ehuru a na asem ne kwa na adwo asem bi ba ne ehuru a o ma ne mbra na adwo na enu hunti e ma nkrofo bi sabi especially asem eye court case a na eho no tesebu hu bibi asem no ebekwa akodu now yan de ya hyemobo se yenni eda asem bi so a na yenni da so se mo beka ya em se enche na papa bi a wo ba abonten ye ni aye kan se wo ye NDC for sofo a wo be threaten ye se wo be kun one threaten se wo be kun EC boss na asem no wo court mo ba o threaten se the EC boss will die, Jin Mensa will die. Now later any ku hu say okay or your sofo your friend apostle Kwabneje na em say esisa no enam nsembia wo kan fa Kenya Japan hu ntia ma Kenya Japan e ma national security for ekokofano na national security for efano no na enye assembly ni na no na e wo say yede no ekokot na court ehu ne say okay de waken etiamra e wo say wokodem say de waken entiamra e wo say yejao ende na wo mo court na court update na mede bremo na ende wo mo court no anwawade a esiye ene say ne lawyer eye na dwe say nanka wo kwa akopre eye bill amano na ne kre bill na ne lawyer ekoprema no onya bill no na nsemo esiye ansa wo onya bill no eno na mede breo until all this while he was naturally say we police work custody he was in remand all this while until no etiefo and then wo mo court no ye the 3 charges na ebo no the first charge the threat of death say what threatening say say what can say Ekufuado what can say blood will flow the Achim side or we no so threatening the EC boss into threat of death and I yanka say okay there what kind or can say EC boss ni bewu into be say a prophecy into one yeah the threat of death and the born the first charge the second charge unlawful possession of narcotics because yehu say no kita we say ye nia yehu video no kra we into second charge any the born no the possession of narcotics and the third charge assault on public officer and also EC boss na nini name no and I say the lawyer or the asem no ekogina court na ne krani ne lawyer no ye friend no Kojoga Adawu ene Xavier Sosu minim se munia mo kai Xavier Sosu a Xavier Sosu metumi aka say we human rights lawyer o said I can qualify him that way. He has won a lot of cases in Ghana here. In Krofo Asebe wo mo asem yentumi nka mo and oye NDC ni say this time NDC for say Madina was standing here as MP aspirant MP Emma will win here until ye can Madina 2020 election no say Xavier Sosu ever standing on the ticket of NDC. I stand to be corrected but yes I think so into ever standing on the ticket of NDC into also ejinemu as a branch ne lawyer na Xavier Sosu he has a background say maybe even I mean bar in the sense Ghana Lawyers Association say bibisa nsem bi by Emma ye can say ye revoking the license Emma what challenge ya ma was sanso e win case no you be he's very good and mostly no the human rights cases no wo ye ni pro bono ye can say bibi ye pro bono wo ye ni free one jiska so he's a very good lawyer and to make me better say what can a branch lawyers and I'm say and they are the beyere pa enye easy until wo mo court no wo mo pleading not guilty wo mo pleading say charges are dey abon na a branch no wonye hwe na nini na mu no sanete e wo say wo mo court na trese asem no yedi na wo mo court na trese asem no yehwe na omo argue say okay wonye hwe ampa na the prosecutor no so ka say oh okay waye na nini na no evidence ayeden adedi. Now the prosecuting attorney your friend ASP Sylvester Asari now ASP Sylvester Asare, me sure say munim no. A lot of cases, top cases are between the state and an individual no. Wo no and a wojine nim. A lot of cases be I reported wa ha you know ASP Sylvester Asare na no jine nim. I'm sure say most of you know. Say Ghana coup d'etat and some I think say still one no na will lead you say I stand to be corrected, but ASP Sylvester Asare, a lot of cases between the state and an individual no. I think he stands in for the state. He's also a very good attorney. Into you know and a wojine mu ama state. Now one more court first no and ASP Sylvester Asare ka say judge yesrel sa branch ye wo sha Accra Circuit Court and asem we esio. I say judge yesrel wo hwe nsem a branch ye aka ene nyama yeguso investigation. Mumma na embetre police wo kukum na yenguso nya investigation because mo jani mu ende a branch ye he will influence investigation. So mumma the bill because asem le ba court no a branch here no and I don't make friend a branch here but osofo no apostle no apostle kwabne J ye ka say NDC sofo no asem le ba court no and the lawyers na the asem le ba court say ye ba be pre bill amano into ono de na asem ano no e na ASP Sylvester Asare ka say mamu man the bill or ka judge mamu man the bill a branch and be influencing investigation no ebe ma investigation na enkoso we share the nature of the case and everything how it's going on. He can easily influence it. Netie for a branch and the lawyers no wo mu di juma wo course dia enye easy. Now what share reporter ever from Ghana Web, Kasapa FM, Daily Graphic nia. Asema wa mo kan and say his lawyers made a spirited argument for bail. They made a spirited argument. That's the brofwa womunia womu eyusu. Just and the lawyers no womu bomu omo modern our courts. Na ni nechi and a judge ni hu say a branch lawyers womu akasa a convince judge no and a judge nka so okay me granting the bail. Na bail na me man no a 100,000 Ghana cedis, a 1 billion O cedis. A bill to the tune of 100,000 Ghana cedis. Now, bail no, he is to present 3 sureties, 2 of whom must be public servants earning not less than 2,000 cedis every month. Just say, bail ni nature no, one fan grofom yensa embra, answer never granting the bail no, one fan grofom yensa embra, and grofom yensa no, one make sure say 2 ayan crofobia, one moya abanye juma, one mu pay a yamo no, a year. Less than 2,000. Just say what mu pay no any more than 2,000 cedis. Assembly ni na no. Assembly ni na no. Inti the lawyers no they were able to convince the judge and the judge granted him bail. And this is the condition or these are the conditions. Na court no it was the Justice Emmanuel Isando or a high court judge initially or a high court judge, but he has once the judicial system nankasano me I don't really know inside, but the little I know and they say there are some judges womoya ebia circuit court judge, there are some judges womoya high court judges, there are some judges womoya Supreme Court judge, there are some judges and so womoya ebia appeals court judge. For what I know no ebia will be a Supreme Court judge. Want to me emba baby Accra a circuit court and a high court asem. I just say the asem no Supreme Court ho. Inti judge ya can asem no asem no ne was circuit court. Now so judge initially no was a high court judge. Now so he has additional responsibilities as a circuit court judge. Into ono de wo to me the high court asem esanso edi circuit court asem. Into ono and I will grant you bail no. Now you really can say he has to report or he has to be reporting to the police every Monday and Friday. Or make sure say Monday and Friday bia will be reported to the police. Na ni name no say won dane enu hunti and na say yes and na it is very common in some be saying and na BBC saying it is very common Ghana e ba say yema obela asemo eda ho no. It is very common. It asem no eno ano no asem ende court and send someone is here and no. Now, the same way, very, very interesting. And you see, this matter, in a way, will be able to shape how and so for these days, we're about with prophecies. See, what who send your Kennedy Japan, war born so for nature. There are good sides and there are bad sides. Now, one good side on what Kennedy Japan is doing, and it says, Sisiano, Ebema and so for the Sebe, send ya, Womudi Owo Hong Kong Shem Eba Debiano, Womubashom Husuye. And this case, personally, means to me when it's a case where you so case way Ebehma Ghana in so for any other ho. Because show Nipaku was who I saw for. And I can say Jane Mensa Bewu. And I am on the charge. Your court, and I did assembly in a court when they say, okay, he is guilty. Won't conquer them one. Near fan say, NDC4 ever power, and I ebia whichever time ever power. Way about better, and I way about better than ruling be a daho. Now, court and so they could do assembly na a year ruling na in a way na Adanimra. It is assembly say eba bedani ruling eda ho a osofu bia wo be sorry say wo hye wo bi nkom say obi bewu bia no osofu bi koye bi we asem we be ba beda ho say osofu bi koye bi ma ye chi ni tumu into wo osofu ne nso no ye betumi aye dan aba be chew a threat of death is against the laws of this country. That is, if asem we see ye to me chi papa we etum we any contempt of court comments beyond ye make it, but we are just sharing our thoughts. So this case can be able to shape how pastors speak in this country. Yeni na yenim sem kofu bebre e kase tia sa ade no. Asem we da ho no no. Don't tell me your comment box ni me da so.